Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Priyendra Kumar and in this video I will tell you the solution of one of the Excel problem. Sometimes it happens group and ungroup functionality may not work in your worksheet. So let me show you the example. Here in sheet 1 I have some data. Now I want to group this data. So I'll go to the data tab and group and I'll click on group. Now I'll select the column here, but group is not working. Now on the second sheet, which is sheet 2, I have created the group, but now it is showing only hidden columns, not any outline. Now I have to unhide this columns like using right click and unhide, but the group is not available there. However, in sheet 3 I have also used group here, but it is working fine. Now you can see here, and these sheet 1 and sheet 2 is not protected. Friends, if you are also facing such type of problem, then I'll tell you the solution of this problem in this video. So to get rid of this problem, we will go to the file and option, or alternatively you can press Alt TO to open the Excel option window. Now go to the advanced and just scroll it down, and now I'll go to the sheet 1. You can see here display option for this worksheet. Here is sheet 1. Now you can see here show outline symbol if an outline is applied is unchecked. So just check this, and now select this sheet 2 from here, which is the next sheet, and just check here also. Now if you will select the sheet 3 wherein outline is working perfect, you can see it is already selected, right? So just click on OK. Now you can see we have applied multiple time outlines which all are available here, and for the second sheet the outline which was not visible now available here. Now let's say for this sheet 1 I can remove the outline. Just click on clear outline from data and group, and now easily we can add a new outline. Just select the columns and go to the group and click on column and click on OK. You can see this outline is available here. Now easily you can collapse and expand this. So that's how we can get rid of this problem. Friends, if you have some Excel related problem, you can write in the comments box to me. I'll try to create a video for your Excel related problem. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for the watching.